Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and we are in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, pretty much center strip. We're going to visit the Cromwell today, a Caesars property in between the Flamingo and the Bally's Hotel and Casino. It's been almost 2 years since I did a video on the Cromwell. It's a place that I don't visit that often. It is truly a boutique. If the Las Vegas Strip had a boutique hotel and casino, Cromwell is definitely the boutique hotel and casino. It's very small, a little bit quirky, very different from the rest of the hotels and casinos. Some people love this place. It's like a cult following, and others, well, they sometimes forget about it like I do, and that's a shame because it really is a nice place. We're going to go inside and check it out shortly. Now it seems that Cromwell is known for two things. One is its restaurant Yawk, which has great views of the Las Vegas Strip and the Bellagio fountains across the street, and that is owned by Yawk de Laurentiis from the Food Network. And the other thing would be Dre's Nightclub, a very popular nightclub here on the Las Vegas Strip. And being as the Cromwell is not a very large hotel and casino, I decided half this video will be dedicated to the Cromwell, then we're going to cross the street over to Caesar's Palace and do a slot pull for the rest of the video. How's that sound? You ready? Let's get started. The Cromwell was known for being a adults-only hotel and casino, 21 and over, but they kind of dropped that policy, and now the only 21 and over hotel and casino in Las Vegas isn't even here on the Strip. It's the Circa down in the Fremont Street area. The Cromwell was formerly the Barbary Coast and Bill's Gamblin' Hall and Saloon. It was originally opened by Michael Gauguin as the Barbary Coast in 1979, and several nearby resorts were opposed to its construction, partially due to concerns about increased traffic congestion. Boyd Gaming acquired the Barbary Coast in 2004 when it purchased Coast Casinos, and Boyd subsequently traded the Barbary Coast to Harrah's Entertainment in exchange for some other properties on the Strip. Harrah's finalized the agreement in February 2007, briefly closed the place and reopened it as Bill's Gamblin' Hall and Saloon. The property was named after company founder Bill Harrah. Harrah's was later renamed as Caesars Entertainment, and the company announced plans in 2012 to extensively renovate Bill's. The property closed in 2013 and reopened in 2014 as the Cromwell. The renovated property includes a restaurant by chef Yawk de Laurentiis. It also features a rooftop pool and nightclub operated by Dre. Hey, if you're digging this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the New York channel. And even if you're not digging it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe anyway. It'll be our little secret. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Jarvis Landry 14, who found Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, in my latest Las Vegas video, The Shark Reef at the Mandalay Bay. Great job, Jarvis Landry 14. And as I said earlier in the video, not too much to show you as we walk around the Cromwell here. It's a very tiny hotel and casino, not too much shopping, not too many restaurants. Dre's was closed while I visited, and from what I understand, the pool is somewhat small compared, obviously, to other pools here on the Strip. And I couldn't get to the pool, obviously, because I don't have a room here. But stay tuned, because we're going to cross the street soon, head over to Caesar's Palace, and do a slot pull. Alrighty, we cross Las Vegas Boulevard, or the Strip as it's better known as, and we're in front of Caesar's Palace, the famous Caesar's Palace fountains, for that promised slot pull. If you guys watch this channel and seen my past slot pulls, I typically don't do well with these slot pulls. Not my kind of thing. I don't know when to quit when it comes to slots, and I just usually wait until the machine runs out of funds. We'll see how this one goes, but I do a little bit better at the tables, and unfortunately I can't record at the tables. One of you guys suggested I get a pair of glasses that have a camera built in them, so I went ahead and did that, and I got them from Amazon. I think they cost me like, I don't know, 50, 60 bucks. Didn't know what to expect. I did bring them to Las Vegas with me. I tried using them a couple times. It was almost comical because I'd have to keep pushing a button on the frame of the eyeglasses while I was playing, and I think some people were a little bit suspicious. But anyway, when I got back to the hotel room and uploaded the video, it was horrible. So it was a good idea, but it was a good idea in theory, but in reality it just didn't work out. The things I do for this little channel of mine. So I found this Buffalo machine, and I decided that's the game that I'm going to play, or the machine I'm going to play, because I've seen other people play it and they win. That means I'm going to win, right? Well, we'll see. Maybe this time I'll be lucky. I'm going to put $100 in, and whatever happens, happens. And in case you're wondering, I lost my Caesars rewards card the previous day at the Flamingo, so I don't have a rewards card on me when I was playing this machine. Besides, it really doesn't matter. I don't gamble that much at Caesars anyway. I'm, like you guys know, an MGM type of guy. Ready? Here we go. I'm gonna bet $2.50 a spin and bust this town wide open. Well, that didn't take long. I'm down to 75 already. Nothing's busted open, and I don't hear any bells and whistles. Down to 50. I'm fading fast here, folks. My goodness, it's only been a minute or two and I'm down to $25. I don't know. I'm just not made for slots. Maybe if I sing a couple Buffalo songs and caress the machine, it might do me some good. And I'm trying to think of some Buffalo songs. Home, home on the range. That's the only Buffalo that doesn't even have anything to do with buffaloes. I don't know any Buffalo songs. No wonder I'm losing. Well, friends, it looks like another losing slot pull for Jeff from New York. I'm going to quit while I have some money left in the machine. It's 55 cents, but, it's some money left in the machine. And the cool thing about these Tito's, I used to throw them away, these 55-cent, 75-cent Tito's. Now the casinos collect them for charity, and it doesn't have to be like I'm at Caesars right now, but I could just dump some Bellagio Tito's in there, and they all go to charity. All the hotels pull them together, or the charity pulls them together, cashes them in, and it goes to a good cause. So I suggest you do that if you didn't win that much, or actually if you did win that much and you want to donate to charity, that's pretty cool too. But if you didn't win that much, don't throw that Tito out. Dump it in the box that goes to charity. So what'd you think of the Cromwell? Leave a comment below.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.